Hello everyone, welcome back to Bulge. Hope you're doing well and riding safe. Today's video starts with a calm road, a beautiful landscape, and a moment to slow down and reflect. Riding isn't always about speed or destinations. Sometimes it's about awareness, understanding your machine, and knowing when something needs attention before it becomes a problem. And that brings me to a simple question. Is this the right time to talk about changing a tire? Most riders usually wait. We wait until the tread is completely gone, until the tire looks finished, or until something forces us to stop. But the truth is, a tire starts telling its story much earlier, if we're willing to listen. This was my old rear tire. It ran for around 16,000 kilometers. Over time, its performance dropped significantly. Grip reduced, braking confidence wasn't the same, and the ride slowly became unpredictable. During its life, I faced 4 punctures. Each puncture was a warning sign that the tire was weakening. Then came the bulge, and that's where things became serious. A bulge isn't normal wear. It's a structural failure. It means the internal layers of the tire are compromised. At that point, it's no longer about stretching usage or saving money. It's about safety. Combine multiple punctures with a bulge, and the tire simply cannot be trusted anymore. Yes, the bike was still moving, but moving doesn't always mean safe. I found myself braking earlier, leaning less, and avoiding certain roads and conditions. That's not confidence, that's compensation. And when you start compensating for a tire, the joy of riding slowly disappears. Now compare that with a new tire. The difference is obvious. Deep tread, sharp edges, firm sidewalls, and fresh rubber ready to grip the road. This is how a tire is meant to work. Grip isn't about pushing harder, it's about trust, especially during braking, cornering, and wet conditions. Knowing when to change a tire isn't just about kilometers, it's about signs, repeated punctures, bulges on the sidewall, hardened rubber, reduced wet grip, longer braking distances. These are clear indicators that a tire has reached the end of its safe life. For the replacement, I chose the Apollo Trampler XR in 140/70 R17. This tire is built for real-world riding, city traffic, rough roads, highways, and long tours. It's not about racing or aggressive riding. It's about durability, comfort, and consistent performance on Indian roads. My old tire lasted 16,000 kilometers, but its performance dropped much earlier. With proper air pressure and sensible riding, I'm expecting close to 18,000 kilometers from this one. More than numbers, what matters is peace of mind. New tires don't make you faster, they make you safer. They restore confidence and let you enjoy the ride again. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bulge for more real riding content.